Hello Tech Innovators, I am back again with an interesting Arduino project idea. Today I will be making a simple runner game. This is going to be a very short video, so please watch the complete video. Take an Arduino Uno in your hand and then attach the LCD according to the diagram on the screen. If you are a tech lover, then this channel is only for you, so subscribe it. Like the video and share it with your friends. Also attach the switch at T2 and ground. Our circuit is done. Let's move to the coding part. Paste the code from the description below and install the LCD I2C library from GitHub. Comment down below if you have any queries regarding the video. Now you can see our character is moving, and to move it up and down, I am using the switch. It will be a nice project idea for the Arduino beginners. Thanks for watching. Meet you in a new tech innovative video.